Breaking the wall of coral reef decline. Bárbara Ribeiro. Falling Walls Lab, KAUST.
This is how a healthy coral reef should look like, full of colors and life, as these ecosystems are home to more than 30% of the marine life. Now, picture the oceans without coral reefs. You might be asking yourself, how bad this could be? Let me give you one example. When coral reefs decline, the entire ecosystem collapses, threatening the whole marine life and over 3 billion people who rely on seafood as the primary source of animal protein, with an economic loss of billions of dollars. And unfortunately, this situation is not far from reality, as up to 90% of the coral reefs will decline in the next 5 years if we keep increasing the temperature of the planet through the high emissions of greenhouse gases. And considering that 50% of the coral reefs already declined since the 50s, our job now is to actively restore and rebuild the degraded reefs by taking tiny coral fragments, putting them to grow on structures like this one so they can be outplanted in the reef. However, restoration alone is not enough under these climate change scenarios. We need innovative solutions, as the coral probiotics. How many of you, for example, already had yogurt probiotics to improve the health of your gut? It's good for your body, right? That's the same idea behind the probiotics for corals, a cocktail of beneficial bacteria that can boost corals' health and that can be customized for different needs. This is a pioneering tool developed by my research team, and we have positive results showing that the inoculation of coral probiotics can improve the survivorship, the resistance, and the resilience of corals against ocean warming. And now we are creating a cocktail to accelerate coral growth to support restoration efforts, including the largest and most technologically advanced restoration program in the world, situated in Saudi Arabia, in which they aim to restore an area equivalent to 140 soccer fields with more than 2 million coral fragments outplanted in the next 5 years. And hopefully, with the addition of the probiotics, we'll make them save time and money by ensuring success with more resilient corals. And the faster we grow the corals and reduce the emissions of greenhouse gases, the closer we are at having these type of reefs for the future generations. Thank you.